Hello everyone, you all are fine? Welcome back to our English class of Standard 1. Now, tell me, do you remember what we have done in our last class? What was the topic of discussion in our previous video? Anyone? Just try to remember it. Think over it. Think. So, what we learned in our last video? We learned about special names and general names. Can you remember what are special names and what are general names? Okay, fine. No problem. Let us recap our previous class. Okay. Now, to know about special names and general names, what is the first thing that we should know? That is naming words, isn't it? Naming words. Now, what are naming words? We have done it earlier. You all know. Just repeat the definition of naming word. Repeat. What we mean by naming words? Naming words are the names of any person, place, things or animals. Naming words are the names of any person, place, things or animals. Clear? Any person, mother, father, teacher, postman, doctor, elephant, tiger, cat, crow, peacock. Isn't it? Delhi, Bombay, Bokaro, Jharkhand, anything. Park, school, hospital, anything. The name of anything are naming words, isn't it? Now, there are, what I told you earlier, there are many kinds of naming words. There are many types of naming words. But here, in our class, we will learn about two types of naming words. What are those? Special names and general names. Special names and general names. Clear? Now, just recall what are special names and what are general names. What are special names? Special names are the words used for any particular person, place, thing or animal. Any particular person, place, thing or animal, when we use any word, that is called special name. And one more thing, special names always start with capital letter. Special names always start with capital letter. Okay? For example, I live in Bokaro Steel City. Where I live? Particularly in Bokaro Steel City. I am not living in Calcutta. I am not living in Jamshedpur. I am not living in Ranchi. I am particularly living in which city? What is the name of the city? Bokaro Steel City. Okay? Saturday is the last day of the week. There are 7 days in a week. But which is the last day of the week? Is it Tuesday? No. It is Thursday? No. Saturday. Saturday is the last day of the week. So, Saturday is a special name. Okay? My name is Reena Singh. My name is Reena Singh. So, my name Reena Singh is a special name because I am not Geeta, I am not Sita, I am not Pinky, I am not Rani, I am Reena. My name is Reena Singh. Okay? So, these are the particular name. Isn't it? These are the particular name. Peacock is the national bird of our country. Many birds are there, but only peacock. Peacock is the national bird of our country. So, peacock is a special name. Isn't it? Delhi is the capital of our country. Bombay is the capital of our country? No. Chennai is the capital of our country? No. Only Delhi. Delhi is the capital of our country. So, Delhi is the special name. Understand? Clear? Now, general names. What are general names? Now, what are general names? Just recall it. General names are the words used for any kind of person, place, animals or things. It is not a particular name. It is not a special name. Any kind. Doctor, teacher, postman. All types of postman community we are saying postman. In your school there are many teachers. What we are saying? Teachers. We are not particularly talking about any one teacher. Isn't it? In your class many friends are there. We are not particularly talking about any one particular friend. Okay? So general names are the words used for any kind of person, place, things or animals. Clear to you now? What are general names? What are special names? And you have done the homework also. Now let us do one or two worksheets in our copy. Just to make you clear what are general names, what are special names. Okay? So what you have to do for that? You have to be ready. Take out your copy, pencil, eraser and be ready with that. Okay? Just take your time. Take 2 to 3 minutes to take out your copy, pencil, eraser. Then again we will come back. Okay? Now you go and take out it. I am waiting for you. Now all are ready with your copy and pencil. First write today's date. Write here. Classwork. Special names and general names. Put the heading. Take your time. And now worksheet number 1. What is here? Pick out the general special names from the given table and write under the correct heading. What you have to do? You have to pick out the general and special name from these sentences. I have given 6 sentences here. You have to read each and every sentence. You will pick out the general names and the special names, and see here the table is given. Here you have to make like this. Make a table like this in your copy. Write here general names, write here special names, put a margin here in the between. Then here my page is white now, so I have drawn these lines, but in your copy it is already there. Okay? Now first one, read. Alok is a naughty boy. Alok is a naughty boy. Here, which one is special name and which one is general name? Alok. Alok is a general or special? Yes, special name, because it is a particular name of a boy who is naughty. But here boy, this one is general name. Any boy. But which boy is naughty? Alok is naughty. So Alok is a special name. So here we will write Alok. And here boy. Second one. My uncle lives in Gujarat. Where do my uncle live? In Gujarat. And uncle, it is a general name for each and every uncle. Everyone is having uncle, and this is a general name and this is a special name. Where he lives particularly in Gujarat. Okay, so Gujarat, and here uncle. Number 3. I have a pet cat. Her name is Kitty. What is the name of my pet cat? Kitty. So cat, here cat is the general name and Kitty is the special name. Maya is a happy girl. Here Maya, who is happy? Maya is happy. And girl, here it is a general name, the name given to any girl. Any girl we are calling girl, for any girl. But a particular girl, Maya, who is a happy girl. So here girl, general, and Maya, special. Tuesday is the third day of the week. In week there are many days, but Tuesday is the third day. So here Tuesday is special and day, any day. My favorite cartoon is. Here I have left the blank because you will write your own favorite cartoon, the name of your own favorite cartoon. So cartoon will be a general name and the name of your favorite cartoon will be the special name. Here you will write your own favorite cartoon. Okay? Who is your own favorite one? Just write the name and write here, because that cartoon character is your favorite cartoon character. Many cartoon characters are there, but the one must be your favorite. Write the name of that here. Okay? So you have to complete this worksheet in your copy. Clear? Now the second one. Second number. Circle the special names in red and general names in blue. Circle the special names in red and general names in blue. Okay. So circle the special names in red and general names in blue. So take two colors. See, I have taken one red and one blue. Okay. Now, I have an elder sister. Her name is Pooja. Here, circle the special names in red and general names in blue. I have an elder sister. Her name is Pooja. Now here, Pooja, it is the special name, and sister, this one is general name, isn't it? Now, Qutub Minar is a tall building. Many buildings are there, but specially we are talking about which building? Qutub Minar. So, this is special name. And building, the general name. Lalita is a famous dancer. Many dancers are there, but we are talking about Lalita. Lalita is a famous dancer. So here Lalita is a special name and dancer is a general name. Amritsar is a beautiful city. Many cities are there now and many beautiful cities are there. But we are specially talking about Amritsar. So Amritsar is a special name, and city, general name. My favorite toy is teddy bear. Many toys are there, but which one is my favorite? Teddy bear. So teddy bear is a special name and toy is a general name. Manas National Park is a big wildlife sanctuary. Many sanctuaries are there, but we are talking about Manas National Park. So Manas National Park is a special name and wildlife sanctuary or only sanctuary. Only sanctuary is a general name. So understand all of you? What are special names and what are general names? Just take your time and note down in your copy everything. Okay? First one also and second one also. Now again we will meet in our next class with some new lesson. Okay? Till then, bye bye. Take care.